Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll tell you how you can create this flying text speed animation in PowerPoint. So here I'm not going to tell you how I created this bottom part. I'll just start with this flying text effect. So to create the text effect, you just need to insert one teardrop shape from insert shape, and then you can press the shift key and create one teardrop. Let's place it here and stretch this yellow point. Now I don't need any outline, so I'm just selecting no outline here. Let's place this teardrop somewhere here. Let's place this into the middle of this M. Okay, so it is fine. Now let me adjust this with this letter M. So I'm just making it a little transparent so that we can see the M also. And now let me place one rectangle here. And for this rectangle also I'm selecting no outline. Now select this teardrop and this rectangle, go to merge shape and press on this subtract button. So you'll get something like this, and now you again go to format shape and reduce the transparency to 0%. Now let me change this color to the same alphabet color. Okay, so we have this shape ready. Okay, now let's go to animation pane and apply this wipe animation, and let's apply it from the left side. Open the animation pane and just select the duration as 0.25 and let's start on click. Okay, that is fine. Now select this, press Ctrl D to create one duplicate copy, and this duplicate copy just fill with white color, sorry. Now let's place this like this, create one more copy and place that like this. Now select these both, this dark olive color and this white one, and press another duplicate copy, and then you can place it here on second, and then you can just adjust their position. Okay, perfect. Now if you see here is something is visible, so this white which we have added here, I'll just place it here. Okay, so we are done with our M. Similarly you can do for your O also. Just select these two, press Ctrl D, and then you can place it here. And you can change this olive color to orange color. Then again select both of these, press Ctrl D, and then just place it here. So let me quickly place this for other alphabets also. Now let me quickly do it for other letters also, and then we will talk how I have created for this V, because this V is little complicated. So let me just quickly place this for other letters. Okay, so let's quickly create for V. So let me just duplicate this darker portion and let me place this like this. Okay, now I'll just insert one parallelogram from here, and let me place that parallelogram like this, and let's align it to our letter V. Okay, now let's increase this width. Okay, now select this teardrop and this parallelogram and press this subtract button. Okay, so you'll get something like this. Now simply duplicate this, fill it with white color and then place it here. Okay, perfect. Now again duplicate this green shape and place it like this, and then again insert one parallelogram. Just flip its direction or fix the rotation. Select this green teardrop and this parallelogram, go to merge shape, press on this subtract button. Okay, create one duplicate copy and fill it with white color and then place it here. Okay, so we are done. Now let's fix the animation. So let me open the animation pane. As you can see, like this shape, these shapes are not having any animation, so just select all these four and select this wipe animation. Direction you select from left. Okay, and apparently this will be my first animation, so I'll move this here and I'll select this start with previous with a delay of around 0.25 second, and this duration will be 0.25 seconds. Okay, now if you see, we have started from this side, so all our animation is coming like this. So let's move all this animation in their order. So this will be my second set, so I'll move it here, and this will also start with previous. Now you can see it also has some delay of around 0.25, so I'll make it as 0.3. So let me quickly repeat this process for other shapes also. Now if I play this into the full screen, it will play like this. So if you see, like before the car is coming, this M is having that animation. So I think we have to increase our delay everywhere. So let's quickly increase this delay from here onwards. So let's have this around 0.35, and then this will be 0.4, .45, and then from here to here 0.5. Now if I play this, yeah, it is coming nicely now. The car is moving, and then afterward, because of that speed effect, these letters are also moving. Okay, so if you want, like for last 4 or 5 of these shapes, let me add a delay of around 0.6 seconds. So now it is playing perfectly fine. Hope you have liked this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel.